How's it, guys? It's me again. I just want to help you out again with a very common error. Python not recognized as an internal or external command when you try and run it in your Windows command prompt. As you can see, mine is working now after much struggles. So, what you need to do is go to Start, type in Python, then right click, open file location, right click again and open file location again. The thing is, this should usually take you to the folder it was installed to, but in my case it took me to the desktop. So just wherever it takes you, probably to the install directory, just copy the file path. From here, go copy file path and go to settings, system info, advanced system settings, environment variables, and then user variables for Thomas or whatever your PC's name. Say edit and then add it. Say new, right click and paste. Now after I did this, it still didn't work. So what I did was I took this same one together with one that I'm pretty sure this one was created when I installed Python. So I took this one and that one and I've moved them, added them both to the bottom, the system variables part. And only once I added both of them did my Windows command window work correctly. So I hope that sorts you guys out, and yes, I hope it works out. Thanks a lot, guys.